Welcome நண்பர்களே. After long back, we are going to continue about material balance. So last time we have seen about say material balance, and there was no chemical reactions involved, but in this case the chemical reactions involved, right? So we are taking the model case just like before. We have a heater and we are sending natural gas for burning, combustion or heating something, and we are getting flue gas outlet. So what is the overall reaction, what is happening, how to do the material balance for this case. So that's what we are going to see when the chemical reactions are involved. So if you take natural gas, I'll give you the given inputs what are the needed. So we take about 98%, which is consisting of 90% CH4 and 5% of nitrogen, right? The flue gas quantity we don't know, it is a question, that's what we have to find out. And the next thing is we are giving air for complete combustion and excess air to ensure the complete combustion. So we don't know the air quantity, that also we have to find out by using the chemical reaction involved. And what is the excess air? For example, say we can take 20% excess air, and the conditions given here, pressure is equal to 101.3 kilopascal and the temperature is equal to 290 Kelvin. So this is the case. So we need to find out three factors. What is the outlet composition composition and volume metric flow rate. See V naught V, right? Outlet flow rate, inlet flow rate, that is given, mostly we know. So we take here 25 meter cube per second. The first one outlet flow rate, and the second thing is air flow rate required. What is the air required for this composition and this volume? And the next thing is everything in kg moles we have to convert it. So we know the volume in volumetric flow rate. So in this case, first we have to convert this into kg moles, so that only by using the equation you can find out other parameters. So we go to the equation. So what is it? We know the ideal gas equation. By using the ideal gas equation, you can find out the number of moles. Just PV is equal to nRT. So you have to know the N. So that is kg moles. N is equal to, just invert the formula, PV equal to RT, PV by RT. So by using this, if you use the formula, pressure is, we have 101.3, just multiplied with the volume 25 meter cube per second, and divided by R into T. R is 8.314 and temperature is 290 Kelvin. But in this case, we have one important thing we have to take into account. We are finding the number of moles for methane. So here the methane for the total volume we have 95% only. So just multiply the volume by 0.95. So you get the number of moles for methane only. So we are getting here, we are getting for this case about 1 kg mole exactly. That is 0.99, just rounded it. So 1 kg mole. So this is the value for 90% of CH4 content, right, in the natural gas. So we know the kg moles. By using the reaction, what is the reaction involved here? The common reaction. What is the reaction involved here is CH4. Anyhow, nitrogen is not going to react in the reaction because nitrogen is inert one, you know that. So CH4 is reacting with oxygen, we are giving air. So it is reacting 2 moles of oxygen and it is giving out CO2 plus 2 moles of water. So this is the reaction. By using this reaction, there is a reaction involved in the material balance, right? So by using this reaction, you are going to find out what is the air requirement and what is the excess amount that is required and what is the outlet spec, right? For 1 kg mole of methane or CH4, you need 2 kg moles of oxygen. For this reaction, for 1 kg mole of methane, you need 2 moles of oxygen and it is giving 1 moles of CO2 and 2 moles of water, right? So based on this reaction, our cases we already have 1 kg mole feed only. By using ideal gas equation, we found out that 1 kg mole of methane for the volume of 25 meter cube, right? So you take this case. for 1 kg. So what is the total moles? Total moles you can find out like that is including the nitrogen. It's a 95% of CH4 and 5% of nitrogen including CH4. So you can find out total moles by using simple equation, that is 1 divided by 0.95. It will give in around 1.05 minus, you just neglect the methane, that is 1. So this is the total moles. To find out moles of nitrogen, what is moles of nitrogen? So by this is the total moles, you know. So 1.05 minus the moles of methane on 0.0, you will get 0.05 moles of nitrogen that is available in the feed gas, right? So now you got this. Now we have to find out the air required. So what is the air required? For 1 kg mole of CH4, you know, 2 moles of 2O2. I am mentioning not this 1 kg. We found out by using the ideal gas found out equation. We found out 1 kg mole, that quantity. So don't get confused with one. So for 1 kg mole of methane, you need air requirement is 2 kg moles. 2 kg moles of oxygen. So 2 kg moles of oxygen. I got it. The next case is you are having excess air. Excess air percentage is 20%. So if you go by this one, so you just multiply it with 1.20 multiplied by 2. So you get it like 2.40 kg moles. So for this case, you found out that air requirement, just try to understand. This for 1 kg mole of methane, you got 2 kg moles of oxygen. You are giving excess air of 20%. So just multiply it with 1.20. So it's a simple calculation. So 1.20 multiplied with 2 kg, we get 2.40 kg moles of oxygen that is required for this reaction, for this combustion reaction of natural gas, right? So the next thing is you need to find out the nitrogen. So when you talk about air, it is always combined with nitrogen only, not only the oxygen, right? So if you take air composition, you have 79% of nitrogen with 21% of oxygen. So if you go by this case, your air requirement is 2.4 kg mole. So for this kg moles of oxygen, what is the nitrogen that is coming along with this air? That we have to find out. A simple try to understand this. So for 21 moles of oxygen, 0.21% of oxygen, your nitrogen requirement is, so nitrogen coming along with this is 0.79. So for 2.4, what will be the value? Try to understand. For 2.21% of oxygen, you need is 0.79 percentage of 0.7 kg mole. You can take anyway. This is a ratio. This is simple ratio. For 0.21 of oxygen, you need 0.79 of nitrogen. So what is the value that is needed for 2.4 kg moles of oxygen? What is the nitrogen required, right? So if you calculate that one, you will get it like 9.028 kg moles of nitrogen. So this is the input you are giving, 2.4 kg moles of oxygen and 9.028 kg moles of nitrogen plus with the feed, that is stoichiometric cube of natural gas, right? So this is the total input that you are giving. Just write it down here. Oxygen moles are 2.40. This is including excess oxygen, right? 2.4 kg mole. And nitrogen is 9.028 kg mole. And feed, we have number of moles 1 kg mole of CH4. The total moles NT you can take it as 1.05 kg mole of natural gas. Right? So this is the kg mole value. So you need to find out the flue gas. So what is the flue gas outlet? That also we need it in volume, right? So we don't need it in kg mole. So we calculate that one. So before finding the flue gas volumetric flow rate, we just found out that total air flow rate we already calculated, right? So what is the air flow rate? This total air required including excess, percentage excess, right? So if you go for that, so 9.08 kg moles of nitrogen N2 plus O2, 2.40. So you'll get it like 11.428 kg moles. So this is the total air you are sending inside the heater for the complete combustion of nitrogen, natural gas, right? So you know the kg moles. So again you have to, if you want, you have to find out in volumetric flow rate. So again using the same formula, which is PV is equal to nRT. So include this formula. Take the pressure same as 101.03 and temperature same thing. You can take different cases if you want different value. So I'm just taking the simple case to understand for easy understanding. So if you calculate that one, you will get it like 271 meter cube per second for 25 meter cube per second of natural gas. So these are total volume airflow that is we are giving inside the heater for the complete combustion, right? So now you have to find out the flue gas analysis, flue gas value. What is the outlet we are getting? The total addition only we will get. So we will find out in on kg moles. What are the outlets we are getting, right?